Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Yo! There's the yo. I was so rusty this morning, I forgot the yo, man. What's going on? Good afternoon. Good evening. Good morning, wherever you are. Let's jump on into it today, man. Let's jump on into it. Okay. Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? What's going on? We got the mic going. We got the mic on. Yep, we got the mic on. We're good. I thought I was muted. I'm so rusty. I thought I was muted. Guys, we got a lot to talk about. Bitcoin. If you weren't in this morning stream, Bitcoin dumped, Bitcoin pumped all while I was gone. So pretty much, as someone said in the chat, pretty much nothing happened, man. Pretty much nothing happened. So let's smash up the like button. Jabba, Bob, they're going to tell you all about the trip today. They had a lot of fun time. Someone said that Jabba was dropping the absolute hammer on the Polish chicks over there. He probably was, man. He probably. I know that he was. We'll take a look at his new girlfriend. It's gonna be great, man. He doesn't like Melissa anymore. What's going on? Welcome back. Yeah, man. Welcome back. And maybe we get a little of a pump stream on top of it to actually extenuate the return back, guys. All right. So let's jump on into it, man. Nothing has changed. Let's jump on into it. Let's have some fun. And yeah, man. I'll see you guys in a little bit. First, Jabba, Bob. We're going to do a quick rewind to the car ride with Jabba and Bob, okay? So I'll see you guys in a little bit. See you guys. This ride freaking sucks. This ride sucks. God, how long do we have to be in this freaking car, man? There's a bunch of freaking trees. I don't want to see trees. There's only horse guy. There's only horses and trees. I have to deal with horse guy every day. Look at this friggin' idiot. I have to deal with this guy every day already. Look at him. Mom, when are we getting some food? I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. When are we gonna look at charts? I'm bullish. Hey, look at my new girlfriend, Mom. Look at her. She's so beautiful, isn't she? Hey. All right, we're done with this. 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 We're not doing. We're not doing this anymore. All right. Anyways, we're gonna jump out of the charts here. Good afternoon. Good evening, where you are from. All right, let me make myself a little bit smaller over here. All right. All right. Let's jump out of the charts, man. Let's not get. Let's not get any more carried away. All right. Anyways, you guys are killing me in the chat. All right. Jordan, settle down. Let's talk about charts. We're here to talk about TNA, okay? Not to look at Java's new girlfriend. We'll look at Java's new girlfriend coming up. He met her in Poland, guys. That's where we were for a family trip, and it was a lot of fun. Okay, so let's jump into the charts. All right, let's look at the 15. Actually, let's start with the daily chart here, real quick. Bitcoin. If you didn't watch this morning's stream, we got a massive green pickle, or it's a yellow pickle on the chart, but it was a green pickle nonetheless. And it's sort of the pattern that we were talking about, before I left. We had the falling wedge on the total market cap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and it did break up to the upside. And as soon as we broke out, we saw a massive green pickle. So let's play the pump song for the massive green pickle, man. Who bought the dip down here? Let me know. Let me know if you did. If you didn't, well, you can dance anyways, because it's Friday night. Cheers, man. Come on. I'm here for serious TA, not Moonabrows. Come on, man. Anyways, you say, what drug did you smuggle over here? Don't worry about it. That's not on you. Anyways, guys, we did get that nice move up from that wedge formation. Total market cap, Ethereum, the whole crypto market went up. I mean, if you can see that, you're not blind. So, what's the level where we're looking at for daily? Let's start just on the daily, and then we'll work our way down here. So, the daily time frame, really, to me, there's a couple different levels we're watching for in the daily, guys. We got to get back over. It's really three important levels that I'm watching for. And if right, this is a big if Bitcoin can get back above these three levels that we're looking at here, it probably is looking a little bullish here in the short term. But we got to break these levels first. Until we break these levels, it's right. So here's the three levels, guys. Daily time frame here. We know we broke from this bear flag. A lot of people will call it a rising wedge. We broke down to the downside, all right? We got a little support on the previous lows. We got to bounce back up, all right? Beautiful. Now we're coming back up to test that 50 EMA, all right? Oh, get off the screen. Hey, guys. Hey, aren't I beautiful? I'm beautiful. Tell me. Get off the screen, you ugly bitch. All right. Anyways, you won't get off the screen, man. She just wants all the screen time now. I don't know. Maybe it's because she's over here in New York now. I don't know. Anyways, we're coming back up to the 50 EMA. You guys are killing me. Back up to the 50 EMA. All right, we got to get back above that 50-day EMA. All right, so. That's the first level we got to get back above for Bitcoin. The second level is basically just the previous support, right? The previous support, 1, 2, 3. We broke that support. Now we're coming back up to test it. Bitcoin's got to get back above here, in my opinion, to really start getting like super bullish, even though there are a couple good things in the charts, guys. There are a couple good things in the charts. So got to get back above here. If we do, it's looking pretty good, right? We go back to our original daily time frame. Here's the level, man. For me, it's 21,000. You can call it. It's really this range right here, right? From these wicks down to the daily closes right here. This whole red box, it spans up to about 21,800. I want to see Bitcoin get a daily close above 21,800, okay? And then
strap up, we're going to the moon.
All right, maybe we can get a little short-term moon action going on. And maybe not too serious of a moon action, but what we really want to see is Bitcoin start closing a daily above this range, which was previous resistance, and not flip it into resistance again, okay? We want to get back above that and hold it as support. Now, you might be saying, all right, that doesn't tell us anything right now, Jordan. Like, okay, we have to get back above that. Great. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to tell us that. You know what I'm saying? Gonna TA's that. So basically what you're telling us is, if we get back above that red box, we're going to the moon. All right, well, are we gonna get back above the red box? That's what we're here for. Tell us, are we gonna get back above the red box or are we not? It's just a freaking red box. Like, God, man, like, I could draw that. And I'm probably as smart as a third grader. Like, man, this guy, why do we even watch this guy? Sucks. But no. All right, let's go to the shorter term time frames. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hey, I told you guys this morning, I missed this sound. This is the same idiot out here that always has his car going off. The same idiot every single day. And he does it, he either keeps pressing it in his pocket because he's an idiot and doesn't get a new car key, or option number two, he's just he's just an idiot. He's just an idiot, to be quite frank. There it is. We're off to the races there we are, man. Stupid red boxes. All right, let's go back over here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So guys, the 4-hour time frame's looking a little I will say. We were able to get back above that 200 EMA that we talked about this morning. We said if we start getting some 4-hour closes above that, that's going to be a good sign, at least for the short term. And we were able to get a few closes above it, but we kind of stalled out a little bit, right? You can see the move. We got some volume came in. We broke out, 1 hit, 2 hits, and then we got back above that 200 EMA, but now we're kind of stalling out. So can we see that move to, the 21,000? What's going on out there right now? Is it a zombie apocalypse or something? What's going on right now? Oh my Lord. Nice, man. Like, there's literally a zombie apocalypse out there right now. Holy crap. I'd throw a rock at it. I'm sure you would. That horn sucks. Oh, facts. So we got back above the 200 EMA. Now, I don't want you guys to come out here and start acting like horse guy. Wow! Look at the breakout! Jordan told me, he told me, if we get back above the 200 EMA, we are bullish. That's what he told me. Like, he told me that. So now I'm going to go all in. I am all in on Bitcoin because we broke out. Yes, precisely. Let me go into Robinhood here. Oh, okay. Let me sign into Robinhood. Okay, I am now all in with my 10 USDT. I am all in. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, we'll see if Horse Guy gets wrecked. I don't want you guys going all in like Horse Guy. Be careful right here, right? You got your 4-hour stock RSI that's getting toppy right here. You got your momentum wave starting to come back down in the 4-hour time frame. Doesn't mean we have to dump right now. What this tells me is at some point soon I would expect a pullback. And a couple of the shorter term time frames still look okay to me, right? So the 1 hour looks fine, right? Because if you look at the 4 hour, you might say, all right, the 4 hour looks a little toppy. But then I go to the 15, or start of the 15 minute. 15 minute, we'll have this little symmetrical triangle. We did just get that breakout to the upside, okay? And this was quite nice while we were waiting for the stream. So we had these lower highs coming in, higher lows. Looks like we just did get that breakout with some volume. See this yellow vector candle? We got some volume in there on the 15 minute. We actually just came back up. Looks like we just came back down a little bit, taking that yellow vector. Now let's see if we get a move to the upside. Listen, This is a short-term time frame thing. Denise KHL with the super chat. What's going on, Denise? What's going on? There's like 3 Denises, I think, in the chat. So I don't know which Denise that is, but shout out to Denise KHL. Shout out to you. But now let's see if we can get that continuation now, because if we go to the 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame actually doesn't look that bad, right? It doesn't. You got your 1 hour stock that's bottomed out, which means that I do think we can get another move to the upside first. One more move to the upside before getting a pullback. And that level I'm watching, like I said, guys, is between 21,600 and 21,800. That's the point where I'm going to look at for Bitcoin to have a pullback from. All right, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing we get a pullback. All right, it's not a bad thing. Hey Jordan, I'm taking a break from messing with my new girlfriend. She's hot, isn't she, guys? Well, I just wanted to tell you, don't listen to Jordan. This is another fake pump. You know, like, I know I lied to you guys. I said pick up. What the? Why is this car doing that when I'm talking? Come on. I was giving my speech. I hate this car. He's always doing this when I'm busy. All right, well, I'm going to go back to fucking. See you guys. You ready, babe? Come on. All right. Anyways, I do think, a move to 21,600 to 21,800 seems likely to me before we get a pullback. And I'll show you guys exactly why. 1 hour looks good. You actually might be getting the move right now. Let's see. We just came up to get a slightly higher close than this previous high. Let's see if we can get some momentum here. Let's see. Bitcoin is chilling at the highs, and Bitcoin's really been leading the charge today, guys. Altcoins were kind of like chilling today, and Bitcoin coming in with a massive. Here we go right now. Here's this move. There it is, man. Come on, BTC. It's time to get pumpy. Here we go, baby. Come on, 21,600. Boom. Right before I said it, man. There it is. Right after I said it, man. Literally. Oh, I think Bitcoin can go to 21,600. Boom. I think we wicked. We wicked right to 21,600. And now we're going to pull back. It's okay. It's okay here, guys. We were expecting resistance at 21.6 to 21.8. All right, so we got a nice wick to it. It's got an initial pullback. That's okay. You might not break it on the first try. Just chill, right? Have patience with these. So there's that move to 21.6. It's really a big range, like we just said. We looked at the daily time frame 2 seconds ago. That was the bottom of the range, 21.6 to 21.8. So let's see if we got the juice to break it. This is going to be a tough one to break, guys. This is going to be a really, really tough one to break, in my opinion. This might not be one that we just smash right through, right? I think I'm going to put the moon helmet on today, man. Like, it's not just that. Like, it's a 12% day. And honestly, I never wear the moon helmet lately. And I need to wear it. Jordan, you cannot wear the moon helmet when Bitcoin's at 21.5. What do we look like, peasants? We are not peasants in this family, okay? We only put the moon helmet on when we're rich. Right now, we're all poor in a bear market, okay? There is no moon helmet until Bitcoin's at least at 50K, okay? Because that's how our family rolls, all right? We are not peasants here, all right? So I don't want to see you wear it one more time. You know what, Mom? Screw you. Not real, Mom. Screw you, Karen. Screw you, man. I'm putting the moon helmet on. It's an honor. It's an honor, man. Listen, I don't know if this is going to continue up here. It doesn't mean I think we're going to the moon here, guys. I do think we're going to find some initial resistance here at 21.6 to 21.8. All right? And before that actually happened, well, I was going to say this. On the 4 hour time frame, that's okay. Like, if we can't break this on the first try, that's okay. If we don't, it's all good, because we can get something like this, where if we come up to this level right here, we get a rejection. We basically come back down, retest the 200 EMA support, hold that support, then maybe we can be looking at one of these little bad boys. Left shoulder, pretty big, massive head, like a Shrek head. But nevertheless, we could be looking at one of these, which we talked about on an altcoin this morning. I forget which one it was, but you had the falling wedge into an inverse head and shoulders that moved you to the upside. So let's see what happens here, but not too shabby at the moment. Let's see if we can continue to move up, but not too shabby. We got a wick right to 21,614, guys. Luna Classic, enjoy the trip. Dude, Luna Classic is going nuts, man. Is Luna Classic pumping right now? Let's see. Let's see. You guys are telling me Luna Classic's pumping, so I got to go check it. I got to go check Luna Classic. Let's see. Luna Classic. What do we got? Luna Classic ain't doing shiza, but Luna Classic has been going nuts. It's up like what, 7? Oh no, from the absolute low is really. Oh, here we go, man. What is this guy doing, man? Oh my lord. This guy needs to get a new key, a new something, man. Holy lordy. Holy lordy, man. At this point, it was funny. Now it's just annoying. You know what I mean? Like, what's up with this guy? Was trading 5x margin for the last 12 hours. Nice. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. There we go. You guys know, watch the stream. This normally doesn't happen like 10 times. It usually happens once. All right, so there's a giant wick. Bitcoin's starting to come back down. Let's see what it does here. Let's see what it does here. Initial rejection. Let's see what it does. Horse guy right now is in shambles. Horse guy is literally in shambles right now, man. What? Jordan! Jordan! You told me that we get to close above the 4-hour EMA. And now we just have a giant wick. It is going to dump, isn't it? It's going to dump. I'm selling all my portfolio right now. This looks so bad. I'm all out. I'm selling right now. I'm selling. Shit. I'm literally gonna sell. Okay, there we go. Sell all Bitcoin. There we go. I am all out. See you guys. All right. Let's see. Now horse guy bought and now he sold. So let's see what he does now. Let's see what he does now, man. All right. So that's kind of what I had to say for Bitcoin, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, here's what I'm watching for the weekly close coming up this on Sunday, guys, because we talked about this for Ethereum in the past, and when Ethereum broke this, it was super bullish for Ethereum. It was like what, 1 or 2 months ago. But for Bitcoin's now looking at breaking this weekly RSI level. And if we go back and see, when Ethereum did that, which when Ethereum did it, let me load this real quick because it's what we want to do here, man. 100x long on my house right now. Nice. When Ethereum broke it, was right here, and you did see a pretty nice move from like 1,500 to about 2K when Ethereum broke this weekly RSI level right down here, guys. All right. And then we know ETH just got the back test. But if we go back to a Bitcoin chart, all right, right here, Bitcoin is poking its head out of this weekly RSI resistance level from the all-time high, right? 1 touch here, 2 touches here, 3 touches here, and now we're coming back up to test it. Dude, I thought his car was going to go off again. I was about to go outside. And me, Jabba, and Bob were about to go outside and start to throw some hands, man. But, yeah, we're poking our head out. So where will we close? If Bitcoin can get a weekly close above this line right here, that's going to be freaking awesome. And, you guys know I love my weekly RSI breakouts and breakdowns, nonetheless, both of them. Let's see what happens, right? These usually are pretty good predictor on what's to come for whatever time frame you're looking at. Doesn't mean you have to pump right now, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see if this breaks out. You got to close. I mean, there's not really a price level I have for you to close at, but you close anywhere you're around where you're at right now, you should get this breakout, and you should see a move up. All right, so let's see what we got going on here, man. All right, Bitcoin. Initial rejection off this. Let's see what we got going on here, though. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold this, previous resistance and try to flip it as support. Let's see, though. Pretty gnarly rejection there off 21.6, though. Pretty gnarly rejection, my man. So weekly, not looking too shabby. We actually just wicked off the 50-day EMA as well. So kind of the levels we were looking at, we just got initial rejection. So let's see what Bitcoin does there on the big old daily time frame, if you know what I mean. if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. All right. Other than that, guys, I do like where Bitcoin is, right? And quite frankly, I'm going to do a quick rant alert here. I'm going to do a quick rant alert. And for everyone that wanted a second chance to buy below 20K, I'm going to ask you guys this. While I was on vacation, did you take advantage or are you still being a bottom dweller? If you're still being a bottom dweller, that's fine. But once again, if Bitcoin is bottomed out, which I do think there's a high chance it is, in my personal opinion, you take it for what you will. If it is, I want to know, did you take advantage of the move below 20K? Did you, right? Because a lot of you guys were begging, pleading, crying to the heavens for a second chance, okay? And you got it. You got it. It was really one day. You had one day below 20K for the most part. Actually, I mean, one full daily close below 20K. Did you take advantage of it, right? If you didn't, it is what it is. You're waiting for 14K, 10K, 7K, that's fine if you think that's going to happen. But I don't want to hear crying and saying, I didn't have enough time to accumulate. Oh! If the Bitcoin bottom is in. I don't want to hear it, okay? Because I'm not going to have sympathy. At least for the people that are here every single day. Right? So let's find out. Still, nothing has changed, right? I mean, this is kind of what you want to see in a bear market. We always say that a bottom's never going to be comfy. You're never going to land at the bottom and go, oh, what a nice pillow. Oh, man, this is a nice bottom. Look at this Bitcoin bottom. Isn't it so nice?
Rant alert.
No, it's not going to be. You're usually going to go down and test that low 2 times. You just went down and tested it. Still, everything I look at is intact. Now, will it continue to be intact? I don't freaking know. No one freaking knows. I'm just going based off what we've seen in the past. Pi cycle bottom had the flash. Hash ribbons, buy signal. So far, higher low with a pretty significant bounce off that higher low. Let's see what happens, but I don't want to hear the crying and the pleading if you missed out. I don't want to hear it. All right, so that's all that's all I got for you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's stream. See you guys. I'm just playing a bunch of people who dipped. That's my favorite joke. See you guys tomorrow. No, but 21,291 for BTC at the moment. Still, everything's good. Like, that's everything, guys. That's everything I look for, and maybe I'm not right. Maybe it keeps going lower. I have no freaking clue. All right. I mean, does anyone? No one does. The Bears gonna keep calling for lower, and the Bulls are gonna keep calling for higher, I guess. But nevertheless, it's the same thing we had in 2018. It's still the same setup. Still the same thing I'm going with. Go back to 2018. It was literally the exact same thing, man. The exact same thing, right? We had the Pi cycle bottom flash. We had the hash ribbons buy signal flash. We had the falling wedge right here. Hold on. Hold on. We had the falling wedge, breakout, the big massive move up, okay, with the higher low coming in. It's the same setup as 2018. Now, I get it. It's different circumstances. I get it. The economy sucks. DXY going to the moon. I get all this stuff. But all I have to look at is the charts. And I'm a big believer in what the charts are doing is going to tell us what's going to happen next. So, I'm going to go with it. Man. And if it doesn't work out, that's fine. You always live another day. All right? You live another day. And quite frankly, I am a big believer in that in 2024, I'm not going to give a shit about where I bought Bitcoin or where I bought these altcoins. I know I'm not going to. So it is what it is. But I'm a believer that we are at least close to the bottom, man. That's my economy. Stop flashing and just give it to me, baby. But that's my little rant for today, man. What's up? Mama D Sounds. What's going on? Mama D Sounds became a member. We had Grinnin became a member. What's going on? Waterfly said, welcome back. Maya Mom approve you. Like stream. Jabba got body cavity search at airport. You want to see Jabba's girlfriend, man. Yeah, no, she hates me. She hates me, man. Well, she couldn't understand anything I was saying. But but that's okay. I got good body language, as you guys know. This is basically, you know, her mom asked me a question in Polish, and I was like this. I was like this. Chest. Chest. Oh, Prussia, Prussia, Prussia. Oh, that's cool. Cool. Good, good, good. Good. That's good. Good. That's all you gotta do. Yeah. Good. Good, man. That's awesome. Let's see. How was the flight? Actually, the flight was very smooth, considering it was over the ocean. You know, there was a one little drop where we were like, but we survived, which is good. I got a little scared. I held on to the seat in front of me. The guy turned at me and said, "Get off my seat." No, he didn't actually say that, but that's okay. All right. Let's go check out, now that I did my little rant with BTC, let's go check out, well, let's first check out a few things here. Total market cap, still, it's kind of the same shiza here. So total market cap, what are we looking at here for total market cap, my man? Well, still the same setup as when I left. Falling wedge, you broke out, you back tested, you held the 0.618 fib, W formation off the 0.618, right? One hit, two hits, rise. Now, like I said, this could be a point where we find some resistance. 21,600 to 21,800. Bitcoin just wicked to 21,600 something, right? So this could be a point where we get that pullback, we retest the W formation highs before continuing up. If we don't get the pullback, that just shows how freaking much crypto wants to move up. If we do, wait for the pullback and wait for the retest of these previous highs to flip as support. If we break those, that's when you get bearish, okay? But for now, it's okay. Nothing has changed for now. But no, if total market cap basically comes and breaks these previous highs right here, that's probably going to look ugly. So if we do get rejected from this level, we come down and we start closing candles below here. That's probably not what we want to see at the current moment. So let's take it level by level, but total market cap still, I think, looks pretty good from a structure standpoint. You know, I mean, there's nothing really crazy that I'm like, oh, holy shit, this is bearish, at least on the daily time frame, right? So take it for what you will. I still think the daily time frame looks pretty good. And we'll kind of take it level by level, man. All I hear you say is we go up. Oh, no, that's not what I said. If you haven't been listening to the stream, if you think that's what I've been saying here. You haven't been listening, my friend. We gonna go up? You guys, all you want to know is we gonna go up. Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll here real quick. Because a lot changed, I guess, since I left. But in reality, nothing has changed. We're at the exact same price. Let me go to Ethereum here real quick. Let me ask you guys a quick poll here. Let me pass you guys a quick poll. Let's see. My real name is Chris. Dude. Chris is this guy. You guys remember Chris? Actually, let's ask Jimmy what he thinks. Jimmy, we gonna go up? Jimmy, we gonna go up? Can I come out? Is it over? Is it over, Jordan? Can I come out? Wait, we're at 21K again? It was bearish last time we were at it. Now I'm bullish. I'm coming out. Hey guys, strap up. We're going to the moon. We're bullish. Invest your stimmy. We're going to get another stimmy in about 6 months. Get ready to invest it, because strap up. We're going to the freaking moon. Get ready for another stimmy that's coming. No, but yeah, man. That's the case. Let's do another poll. Who is this squid? Is a guy named Parth really calling me a squid? Dude, your name's Parth. Get out of here, Parth. Anyways, a squid. I think we're talking about Jimmy. Parth, I'm just kidding with you, buddy. He's coming out. It sounds so wrong. All right, let's do this. Will Bitcoin break? Let's do this. Will Bitcoin break 24K in September? Very broad question, but will Bitcoin break 24K in September? At any point, it can. Even if it wicks to 24,001, will it break? All right. Will Bitcoin break 24K in September? Let me know in the poll. I don't want to know in the chat. Okay, let me know in the poll. Gonna go up? Gonna go up? Sure. All right, Bitcoin. All right. See, here's the thing with Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, guys. Big wick. You see this big juicy wick on the 15-minute time frame? We love to come back up and take those wicks. Bitcoin will come back up and take this wick at some point. All right. You also get a red vector candle here. Actually, won't be surprised if Bitcoin did something like this, where it came back up, took this wick, and then came right back down. But, time will tell. Time will tell. But expect that wick to be taken here at some point. Maybe it comes down first and then comes back up, but we love to take the wicks, by the way, guys. All right, ETH. What the hell is ETH doing? ETH is getting a nice little consolidation nation here. All right, we like consolidation nations. Why? Because they're going to tell us a good move is coming. All right, let's look at the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. I'm looking at this little symmetrical triangle. Now, symmetrical triangles to me are memes. They don't really tell you much. Okay, what they basically tell you is wait for a break of resistance, wait for a break of support, and then you can kind of go from there. All right, that's basically what it tells you. To me, it doesn't really tell me a direction. I know there's a higher chance of breaking out in the direction that you came from, but I'm not a big believer in that. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top side, 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, 2 on the bottom side. But nevertheless, you are getting a nice little consolidation here for Ethereum. Now, is there any pattern or anything going on? I would say no. Looks like it tried to break out, but just got a big wick to the upside, just like Bitcoin. And now we're back into this. So we're just kind of wait and see in the 15-minute. Indicators aren't really telling you much here. To be quite honest, not really telling you too much. But what I do like, at least, is, they're not really getting any pullbacks on this move up, even on the short-term time frames. You're kind of just moving up, going sideways, moving up, going sideways. And to me, this is a nice consolidation that ETH is getting right now. All right, just kind of holding that 50 EMA. You back tested it once, back tested it twice. Once again, you got this wick up here. Won't be surprised if it comes and takes that wick. So let's go to the 1 hour real quick. 1 hour time frame, kind of the same deal. Hourly stocks are getting bottomed. Hourly momentum coming back up. Let's say I still do like some of these short-term time frames. I do. Whether it's just going to be a kind of a double top at 21.6 or it's going to be a higher move and just a complete break of resistance, but I still like some of these shorter-term time frames. It's when you get to the 4 hour where it gets a little shady, right? Because the 4 hour time frame is the exact opposite. And what do we know about ETH? What do we know about ETH? Say it to me in the back. I bet Java knows because Java's excited for this one. This is the worst time to buy Ethereum. You need to sell Ethereum here. Short it. Do not buy ETH at its biggest resistance, you idiots. You guys are such idiots. Like, there's really people FOMOing into ETH right now. Guys, we're gonna dump, okay? I don't want to see you get wrecked. I don't want to see you get wrecked. Sell ETH. Don't buy. Come on, guys. I want to see you happy like me. Look at me. Be happy. All right, see ya. All right, be careful here on ETH though, right? Because why is this big? Holy shit! Why is this ETH's biggest resistance point? Well, we look left. Let's just look left real quick. All right. Well, we got previous resistance, and here we find ourselves at that point again. All right, and it's not just that. I mean, we can look at a multitude of other things on the 4 hour time frame, which look a little shady, but that's the 4 hour. The 1 hour doesn't look too bad to me. 4 hour stocks toppy, 4 hour momentum coming back down. So could we see something like this? So ETH just got a wick up. Could we see, that one last push to the upside, where we create that M formation, right? 1 hit, 2 hits, and then we reset this 4 hour time frame. I think that could definitely be a scenario that we're looking at here. So pay attention to this. The 4 hour is rolling over. I think you guys can see it here. 4 hour is rolling over here. 4 hour stocks are topped out right at resistance and right at the the ultimate level for Ethereum here, where I'm going to be honest, guys. I'm going to be honest.
Rant alert.
If you're buying ETH right here, that's not the good level to buy ETH. The time to buy ETH was here. The time to buy ETH was here. If you're holding long term, sure. But if it's a short term move, no. No. All right? I mean, you guys do you. This is what it is. I wouldn't be buying right here. All right? But here's the thing for Ethereum. You got right at the bear market resistance band again. Okay? Now, listen, it's about risk versus reward. Chances you get resistance here are high. Okay? It can still break. Everything's not 100%. It's not like, oh, it's a 100% chance we're going to get rejected here. Nothing's 100% on the charts, right? There's a chance we break this. But be careful right here. We just looked at the 4-hour resistance, and we got this weekly resistance coming in right here too. So be very, 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 very careful at this level, man.
Rant alert.
And you guys do you, all right? But this is what it is. Just be careful right here if you're FOMOing in. FOMO can work out sometimes, right? But if you're gonna FOMO, just don't do it at resistance, right? Do it before you hit the next resistance. But yeah, so that's kind of ETH on the short-term time frames. But I'll say on the long-term time frames, if ETH can break this though, and this is what we've been talking about, man. We know we got the merge coming up for Ethereum, which, you know, could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Might not be. We don't really know. But if ETH can break back above this and start closing some candles up here, we know that we broke the RSI resistance level for Ethereum coming down like this. We know that we broke out. We know that we back tested it while I was on vacation. Okay? And we know that we're starting to get a move back up again. Could that just be a clean back test on the RSI before the breakout above this? And if we do get back above the bull market support band on a weekly close, right? I won't be surprised if we see a move up to this downtrend of resistance from all-time highs. Right, which if we went straight up today would be at about 2,500, but I don't think it's going to happen this week. If it did, you know, 2,200, 2,300, somewhere in that range, depending on how long it takes. But yeah, so it's a wait and see. Let's see if we can break it. Right now, we really haven't done anything, but we got the structure on the long-term timeframes that we want to see for at least a consolidation range. Maybe don't moon, but at least a consolidation range. Trying to carve its way out here. So that's kind of ETH at the moment. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin just came up and took this red vector candle, actually right to a T. Let's see if Bitcoin can try to get a bounce here, guys. Let's see. Let's take a gander on the Bitcoin charts here. Let's see. We will dump before CPI day. You think so? I don't know. September's a big month on news-wise, you know? Well, we've been waiting for the next CPI. We've been waiting for the next rate hike. Next rate hike is going to be 75 basis points, in my opinion, no matter what. So I don't think that's really going to be an anything burger. If you look at some of the percentages, it's like on one of the websites, the thing that gives you the percentages of what's the chances, it's like 90% that it's a 75 basis point. So people already have that in their minds. I don't think that's a huge deal. But the CPI is going to be a big day. Right? I think the CPI is what's more important to me than the rate hike. You already know the rate hike's coming, right? But what is the inflation number going to look like, you know? That's the big thing we got to find out when that comes, for sure. Let's see. So exciting. Dude, it is exciting. September could be an interesting month for everything. I was just got so confused. I'm still a little rusty here, guys. I like forget how to do things, you know? You ever forget how to do things? You ever look at the computer like this? Where's the space bar? What the hell is the space bar, man? Hey, Johnny! You know what the space bar is? Where the hell is the space bar, man? Shit, bro. Like, how am I supposed to do a stream? I don't even know what the space bar is, man. All right, let's get off this. Gordy, what's up, Crunk? Looks like you got a tan? Oh, dude, I was in Poland. You think I got a tan? What do you think is this? No, the weather was actually really nice over there. It's been super hot in New York, and over there it was nice. So that was nice. That was really, really nice. Really, really nice, man. Dude's freaking me out. Man, that's good. Alt F4? No, don't. Not pressing Alt F4. You think I am an idiot? All right. Some of you guys probably think that. Anyways, NASDAQ. NASDAQ. Good day on the NASDAQ today. Nothing like, you didn't moon. You went up 2%. But nevertheless, 2% day is a good day for the NASDAQ. So there it is. Now, once again, let's see what the futures look like going into tomorrow. All right. Let's see what they look like. But here's the thing on the NASDAQ, guys. Be very careful here on the NASDAQ. If you think that the stock market's going to continue to bring up Bitcoin and ETH, just watch right here. Because look at where the NASDAQ is. Literally. There's a lot of confluence right here, man. A lot of confluence. You got the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA coming in right here, acting as resistance on the NASDAQ. Okay? So be very, very careful here. And what you basically did today is you came up and filled this gap right here. Okay? So this could just be them coming up to fill that gap before finding resistance here on the 20 and the 50-day. So just watch right here, man. That's all I'll say. That's all I'll say. And you have found resistance at this point before. Right there, actually. So, yeah. Just watch this level. You got a lot of confluence coming in right here for a possible rejection coming into tomorrow. Will it? Let's wait for futures to kind of show themselves here and kind of go from that. It's Friday. It's freaking Friday, man. Listen, all day. No joke. This is actually no joke. All day I thought today was Monday. You know why? Because I got back from vacation yesterday, or I got back from vacation last night, and I thought today was Monday because I was like, all right, it's a new week. Let's go. And today, the whole day today was Friday, and I thought it was Monday. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. No, they're not open tomorrow. So it's Friday. So, we got to wait till Monday for that. So there we go, man. Oh, Sunday night, technically. But there you go, man. Know what it does, it do? Yeah. Dude, I literally thought all day today was Monday. And it's freaking Friday. It's freaking Friday, man. I get back and it's tomorrow Saturday. Like, what the hell, man? This is ridiculous. Jet lag? Yeah, true. Should he buy Litecoin now or wait? Drew, I think it's a good time to buy Litecoin, man. For me. Not financial advice. All right, a few other things here. All right, we can check some altcoins. Right now we're kind of just waiting on BTC. So let's see what we do. What happens this weekend, pump or dump? What happens this weekend, pump or dump? I do think that this is going to be a tough cookie to crack here for BTC over the next couple of days. A tough cookie. A tough cookie with the long history. Right, Melissa? I'm a tough cookie with the long history. Breaking little hearts like you want me. Jabba, come back. Jabba, get rid of that girl. She's ugly. Do you see me? You don't want me anymore? Jabba, come back. No, I don't want you anymore. You keep dumping me and bringing me back. I'm done with you. My new girlfriend is way more pretty than you, okay? Look at her. She loves me for who I am. Look at her. I can't deal with that one. All right, anyways, let's continue on. Let's continue on, my friends. What's up, Nose? You should act? Well, why? These are real people. I'm not acting. What are you talking about? All right. So, what else we got? Still nothing has changed. Actually, let's go back over here. Let's go back over here to what do I want to look at? Oh, right here. Oh, no, not in this chart. Yeah, on this chart. Let's go back to our handy dandy notebook, which is real quick. This is boring stuff, but, Euro USD is getting to, all right, what happened to this chart, man? I don't know what happened to this chart, but is getting to that point where I'm looking for it to bounce. Not yet. Right, I continue to say this. I do think that the XY continues up a little bit higher here. Everyone's saying it's top. Everyone's saying it. I don't think it is yet, but I think it's close. I think it's very, very close. I do think it comes and tests this trend line here. Though, I will say that at the $1 psychological level, for the euro is a key point that you want to see this hold. So anywhere in this range, I mean, you could be bottomed out. I don't think it is yet. But if the euro bottoms out, then I expect the dollar to be topped out, right? So I don't think it's bottomed out yet. I think we got a little bit longer to go on the euro coming down. But nevertheless, never the freaking less. Let's see what happens, right? This is on the monthly time frame, so this is a super long time frame. Once this bottoms out, though, I think that we could see a move to the upside, but a little bit lower is looking likely to me. What else we got? What else do we got cooking? Let's look at some alts, man. You guys don't care about that. Let's look at some alts today, because alts are this. Now, I always like to start with NEAR, because I'm still being a bottom dweller on NEAR. NEAR was a clean breakout this morning. Pretty nice. The move already happened, but you got the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, right outside of the falling wedge. Nice move to the upside. Now, this is the point where you start looking at, all right, is this now going to come back down and retest the neckline before moving back up, right? So when we break these more resistance levels, we usually come back down and retest them, right? So for NEAR, just like I'm seeing for Bitcoin, would I be surprised if you get a pullback from this range where you come and test some previous resistance and try to flip it as support? No, before a rise back up. But nevertheless, Jordan is still the bottom dweller for this, okay? What's going on, guys? It's Jordan. Jordan from the year 2030. Yeah, I've gained some weight. Like, so what, man? I've gained a lot of weight. Ma! Hey, Ma! Ma! Well, she's not home. All right, well, I'm still waiting on NEAR to hit 350. NEAR just hit $125. I'm still waiting for 350. I think it's going to come anytime now. Let's just keep waiting. 350. 350, man. It's coming. Anyways, that's kind of me on NEAR. But yeah, same thing for NEAR. I'm just going to kind of jump through these on the daily time frame. A lot of you guys are saying Luna Classic. Drew wants Flux again. Let's give it a Flux. Look at Flux for you, buddy. All right, Luna Classic. Luna Classic, man. Luna Classic is the new meme coin, man. It's crazy. So Luna Classic's pulling back. I mean, listen, this thing's gone nuts to the upside. It was due for a pullback. It was definitely due for a pullback. You had bearish divergence popping up here. You had lower highs, and you had higher highs, like significant bearish divergence, like complete higher highs, lower highs in the daily. It was due to get a pullback. Now, is it going to continue to get pulled back? I mean, I look down the list here. Do I see any vector candles that have to get taken? You could argue this one already got wicked down, but you still got this one down here. I don't think it's going to pull all the way back down there at the current moment. But the daily does look like a little reset. You did get momentum flip bearish. You did get the stocks flip bearish. How far does it go? Well, let's go to like the 4-hour time frame and zoom in a little bit here. Massive bearish div on the 4-hour too. There was bearish divergence on every time frame there. So you've came back down to the 50. All right, you've reclaimed the 50 EMA as support. 4 hours bottoming out. I think this one's but this one's kind of been doing the opposite of BTC. It's been not the opposite, but it's been pumping. Like with BTC's not pumping, this one just keeps pumping. So I guess if you want to look at the Bitcoin TA for Luna Classic, I mean you can, but this one's just got a nice reset to the 50. It's reset the shorter term time frames, like the 4 hour. The momentum's coming back up now. 4 hours looking to get that cross. I mean, you get a couple, maybe 1 or 2 4-hour green candles here. You're going to get that 4-hour stock cross. So I do actually not mind, I should say. I do not mind. Is that how you say it? I do not mind. I do not mind where Luna Classic is in the 4-hour time frame here. Let me actually look at this move from the lows to the highs and see. Yeah, that was also a perfect 618 retracement too. From this low to this move, back down, 618 retracement and that 50 EMA. So it's actually not too bad. I would not be surprised if this one has maybe another leg in it, even though the daily could use a little bit of more of a pullback. But let's see. But Luna to me, this one just keeps going, man. It didn't pump today, but I think this one deserves a pump song, man. I do. So we're gonna do it anyways, man. Let's look at Flux. Flux, man, because I don't give a flux what's going down here. That's why. I don't give a flux. Let's see Flux. Flux. So I think when we left, yeah, look at Flux, man. I think when we left, we were down here, right? Oh no, we were up. I think we were right about right here. So that was actually pretty nice. So we broke out of this bull flag down here, right? We had a rise up, bull flag, W formation at the bottom. We moved up. We came back down, back tested that previous neckline, and then we got another move up. So that was really nice. Now, let me just clear this out. Let me actually see if we hit the target of this, actually. I'm not a big fan of targets, especially on bull flags, but let's see if we hit the damn target. It's still a little bit higher on the target. Let me clear this out, though. Flux. What the flux, man? So, this one I say be careful on this one, because you could have that M formation that's forming there, right? First hit, second hit, a little bit of rejection there. Now getting to move down. You get a 6 minutes into the close. I guess I don't love that 4-hour close there. If it closes the way it is, I don't love that. I don't love that at all. I don't love that at all, man.
The hell is this coin? Flux? This is my type of coin. I love saying fuck. Because I don't give a flying flux. This is great. Mom, I found a coin named Flux. Isn't that perfect for me? It's so awesome, isn't it? It's awesome. I don't give a flux. Aren't I so funny? I don't give a flux. I don't give a flux.
YouTube's gonna come in and hammer me. But yeah, so let me go back to the daily time frame here. The daily time frame. Daily looks fine. Daily actually could have some more room to run up if it wants to. Daily actually looks not too shabby, actually. Not too shabby. Let me actually go to the 1 hour. Because I would say the daily and the 4 hour... let's see. So the 1 hour time frame just got that stock cross to the downside. 1 hour momentum's coming down. So I actually would be looking at the 1 hour time frame to come back down and take this vector here on the short-term time frames. Because you got momentum about to cross to the downside. 1 hour stocks coming back down. All right, so I'm looking for a move back down. Take this vector candle here. And then we can kind of reassess. One more move back down. Then I actually do think you can move back up as long as Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed. That's always the main thing you got to look at here. But a short-term pullback to come down to this range here. Just to kind of retest this yellow vector, right? Slight move down, 128. Then a move back up. Need a little cup and handle action going on. And then we can reassess, right? Let's reassess there. But at the short-term time frame, you get a pullback. Oh, man. Guys, there's something I always wanted to tell you, man. There's something I always wanted to tell you guys. Hold on one quick.
I love you guys. I freaking love you. I can't. I love you guys. Hold on, can you get me a tissue? Get me a tissue. Yeah, they're buying it. They're buying it.
You're all still awesome.
Yeah, they're literally buying it right now. Yeah, get me a tissue. Yeah. They think I'm actually crying. I love you guys. I would be nothing without you.
All right. Anyways, it is what it is. All right. Let's try. Let's jump back into this. Warwick, what's going on, buddy? Warwick came in. You said, "Sup, Jordan, everyone. You're still awesome. You're still awesome, Warwick. Thanks for hopping on in, man. Even if you don't stay, thanks for Thanks for hopping on in, man. Oh, man. All right. Thanks for hopping on in. Anyways, I didn't watch too many crypto videos while I was on vacation. So I don't really have any new, like, kind of... Did anything crazy? Can you guys tell me in the chat? Did anything crazy going on in the crypto space while I was gone? Like, for a while, there was, like, all this drama and stuff. Anything crazy go on in the last week? I'm kind of oblivious to it all. That's really it. I watched George today. I think I watched a little bit of Cowan today. I think that's about it, though. I think that's about it. Hit the like button for this unmarried man. Of course. All right, so that's Flux. Oh, man. AVAX. BitBoy went to Alaska. That's a horrible place to go. I would never want to go. Alaska is probably the last place I would want to go on vacation. Why? It's cold. There's ice, so I can slip. And that's all. I mean, do I even have to say anything else? It's cold, it's ice, and it's dark for half the year. I would never want to go to Alaska. That's just my personal opinion. You know, people can hate me for my opinion. I would never want to go to Alaska. For anyone that lives in Alaska, I'm sorry. But Alaska sucks. All right? That's my quick Alaska rant, man.
Rant alert.
That's all I got to say. Alaska sucks. Look at Luna 2. Disco night. How happy are you to be back? I am happy to be back, man. I have... All right. I'm happy to be back. Huh? Yeah. It's the daily close, man. I'm very happy to be back. I like to live my life, and I don't like to live anyone else's life. So I'm very. That's all I'll say. I'm very happy to be back, man. So congratulations, man. I am very happy to be back, and we're gonna pump it. Pump it. That's what we're gonna do. Anyways, the daily close, guys. The daily close for BT Sizzle. Right here, 21,600. So you wicked literally right to that level that we're looking at, and we got a rejection. And we also got wicked right off the 50 EMA, and we got a rejection. So, you know, we got a massive day for Bitcoin. I don't think you can complain about the day that we had. I mean, it was like what? How much did Bitcoin go up today? It went up 10.5%. I don't think you can complain about a 10.5% move on a $1 trillion asset, which is crazy when you think about it, actually. But, yeah, I mean, now we have the real business now that we'd have to do. Now we have to see, can Bitcoin get back above these important levels, right? If we don't, well, this was all for nothing, right? It was a 10% move that didn't mean shit. So let's now work on getting back above these levels, man. That's it. America bought Alaska from Russia, $7 million. I mean, not surprised. I mean, it's cold as shit, and there's ice everywhere. Let's see. Just here to like to stream and show my dong. Nice. Show your dong? Nice. All right. So what else we got? What else we got on the charts, my man? Bitcoin really kind of just chilling right now. Just kind of just chilling. Big wick up, rejection. Ethereum, smaller wick, rejection. Right off the top of this. It's still, Ethereum's kind of it's still just consolidating in this bigger kind of symmetrical triangle. I don't like to call these flags. Not at all, man. Hey, Joe, wait. Something amazing has changed. What's changed, man? What's changed? You came back and the market pumped. Yeah, I would say this is the... Well, guys, I told you this, man.
Rant alert.
Every time I go on vacation, Bitcoin dumps. This one wasn't any different, okay? It wasn't any different. I tried to warn you. I tried. Right? I think I went on vacation right... here. No. Yeah. Right on this candle right here. And look at this candle right here. I went on vacation. Since that candle, Bitcoin did drop 8%. I told you. Be careful. Every vacation, this is every vacation I go on, guys. Bitcoin dumps, and then when I get back, the dump is over. Okay? I'll show you guys all my vacations. Let's go back. Let's go back. I know you guys care about this so much. And then we'll look at some altcoins. We'll have some fun. All right. But let's go back in time, guys. Let's go back in time. So I went on vacation. You guys don't give a shit about this. Let's see. I think it was actually right September. Where was it, man? Oh, it was actually right here. It was like right around here. We did get a little bit of a pump, but then we ended up dumping like 15% to the downside. This is when you had the Evergrande shit going on. People getting pissed about that. Then we dumped. I came back. We came up a little bit. We still dumped. But nevertheless, it still holds true. And I also went on vacation right here. I think it was like right. It was one of these candles. You guys remember, this one was brutal. This one was brutal. Right here. And I think we dumped the whole vacation. And then I came back, and that ended up being like the relative bottom. But yeah, it's a phenomenon, man. And then Vegas, where was Vegas? Vegas was like early April. You guys don't give a shit about this, man. Go on short vacations, very true. Vegas was like right. Oh yeah, Vegas was this week right here. I think it was April 8th. Yeah, right here. So Vegas, we went right here. And we came back like right on April 15th. And then we came up a little bit, then we still dumped. But nevertheless, it never seems to amaze me, man. It never seems to amaze me. The market maker, new 4-day candle has a green dot on Market Cipher. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go look at some altcoins, because we give a flux about altcoins, man. Yeah, we do. We give a flux. All right, DOT. Let's see DOT, man, because you guys are here for the alt gains. Are you guys here for the alt gains or the Bitcoin gains? It's actually a pretty good question. And let me see this poll right here. Will Bitcoin break 24K in September? 54% of you guys said yes. 46% of you guys said no. So over half of you guys think that Bitcoin actually will break 24K in September at some point. So I think that means that, I guess, you know, from this point right here, you have to be a little bit bullish then, right? If you think it's going to hit 24K at some time in September. You got to be, right? I mean, that only makes sense. So that means 24% of you guys should be bullish from this point, because that means it's going to be higher at some point. Hey, take it for what it is. Anyways, DOT. What do we got going on here for Dottie? Miss Dottie. Well, DOT's right at resistance too. You're gonna find a lot of these alts are right at resistance looking left. All right, so DOT, very similar to ETH chart. Just kind of this falling wedge, broke out, back tested, W formation, is now coming back up. You came right to the 50 EMA, but you are sitting right at the resistance, right at resistance. So this is going to how a lot of different altcoin charts are going to look like. And here's the thing. Here's the thing I got for you guys. And let me just clear this out. If we get a pullback, and it's fine if we get a pullback. This is what I'm looking at here. Daily's getting a little bit toppy on some of these indicators here. All right. 4 hour, I bet, is a little bit toppy on some of these indicators here. Yeah. 4 hours about to cross to the downside on the stock RSI and momentum. Here's why a pullback would be fine. And actually, you know, quite frankly, I think that would actually be better. But, you know, take it for what it is. Because, listen, we're getting rejected right here. If we come back down, we can reset some of these indicators, pull back, retest the W formation down here, because this was a W, right? 1 hit, 2 hits, rise, come back, retest that W formation right there, and then maybe we can rise. And then what you have is the bottom pattern that you want to see, which is, you know, sort of that left shoulder, head, right shoulder formation, and then you can rise back up. Will it play out that way? Time will tell. Maybe we just pump. Maybe we just dump. But to me, this would make the most sense. Doesn't always have to make sense. But a pullback to, you know, around 721 or so wouldn't surprise me at all. Right? And that would also be a 618 retracement, right? That would be a perfect 618 retracement. So that would not surprise me. Let's see if it plays out. Will it? I have no idea. Near's pumping right now. Let's go, Near. Come on. Come on, man. It's not going to give it to me, man. Near is the most stingy altcoin. It's not going to give me my entry. I'm just being a bottom thrower, man. I guess that's it. Should I FOMO into Nier, guys? Yes or no? Should Jordan FOMO into Nier tonight? Let me know in the chat, because I will do it. Should I FOMO into Nier? Let me know, yes or no, in the chat, because I will do it. And I want to see what you guys say in the chat, man. I will. Let me see. Let me see what you guys say in the chat. Should Jordan FOMO into Nier? Everything else looks like it's slightly pulling back, but Nier is going up. It's the only one that is. Yes? You FOMO, I FOMO? You guys are saying you FOMO, no, no. Yup, need in before Monday. No. No. FOMO in? No, it's not. You were supposed to buy it at 4. That's so true. I was supposed to buy it at 4. Actually, technically, if I went based on my previous advice, I should already be in Nier. But unfortunately, I didn't listen to my own, my original. That's why I always say stick to your plan. And I didn't stick to my plan. That's why I say do as I say, not as I do. Actually, no, don't do as I say. Because I'm not a financial advisor. But you get the point, man. A guy with a pickle on his face is not a financial advisor. But, yeah, man. So, it looks like it's getting a little rejection now. But, yeah, it looks like everything's kind of pulling back on the new daily. Bitcoin's coming back down. ETH coming back down a little bit. Nothing crazy. Still just in this range, though. I mean, it's really just a big range here. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing crazy going on right now. Flux your plan. Flux my plan, man. What else can we look at? Matic. Little old Matic. A lot of things are just consolidating. Matic. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy going on in Matic land, to be fair. Let me go to the 4-hour time frames, because those are... Yeah, I mean... The 4-hour for Matic 2 looks pretty similar. I mean, you find yourself right at resistance. Okay? Previous resistance, flipping to resistance again. Yeah, your 4-hour stock's bottoming out, about to get the cross. I mean, already did get the cross, actually. And momentum's coming back down for Matic, too. So, to me, these are all showing that a pullback back down would make the most sense. Then it is what it is. Sometimes you're going to take it for what it is. You know, and that would be kind of the same setup. Similar setup that we're looking for on the other alts, right? So, I'll pull back to the 50 EMA, which should also be a 0.382 retracement. You know, a pullback back to there wouldn't surprise me. You also got this blue vector candle right here that you could take. I mean, it makes a ton of sense. It makes a ton of sense for Matic to come back down in the short term. Take this blue vector right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Take that blue vector, bounce from this level, and come back up. To me, that would be beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Time will tell. Okay, I mean, that's like 86 cents. Not a crazy move. I mean, you're looking at about a 3% move to the downside. But nevertheless, I think to me, that's what I'm looking at for Matic there. Alrighty. 80K BTC. Who won crypto? Oh, Crypto Madness. I didn't do it while I was on vacation, but I updated it today. Let's go and look at it real quick. So Crypto Madness. You guys are going to be shocked at who's winning Crypto Madness right now. Listen, all right, today. So today we had Maker beat Uniswap. All right, Bitcoin, Theta beat Bitcoin Cash. Okay, Polkadot beat Binance Coin, and Cosmos beat PancakeSwap. So now we have Maker, Theta, Polkadot, and Cosmos for the final 4. Now let's see who's winning. Let's see who's winning, and you guys are gonna be very surprised at who's winning. I will say. Let's see who's winning. Hey guys, look who's winning. Look who's winning, me. Me, look, Jabba's penis. I'm winning. Literally, Jabba's penis is winning. Who's in third? Oh, we have Arch Enemy in second. Clint's in third. Freaking Clint. I'm gonna beat you. I don't like you, Clint. I'm gonna beat you. Get off my tail. Jabba's penis is winning. Okay? Jabba's penis. But yeah, I'm gonna win this, guys. I'm the best. See ya. Alright. Anyways. Jabba's penis, Arch Enemy, Clint, Pocket Nuts, Pocket Nuts, Waterfly, Crypto Z, and 2W, Rod, King Kobe. I mean, listen, Java's Penis that has three out of the top 4 in it right now. So he's looking pretty juicy. Arch Enemy has 1 left. Clint has 1 left. Pocket Nuts has 2. So Pocket Nuts is good. Pocket Nuts is good. Waterfly's got 2 left. So, I mean, anyone can win. Anyone can still win, man. Let's see. This is the most ridiculous game ever? No, it's not ridiculous, man. It's not ridiculous. It's not. Welcome back. What's up, Derek? Bumblebee tuna with some buttermilk biscuits. Nice. Nice, Derek.
Welcome back.
Appreciate that, my man. I'm happy to be back. It's nice. I mean, it feels weird when I don't do this for a while. I come back and it just doesn't feel right. Now I'm in the groove now. I'm in the groove. This morning I was like shaking off the dust, you know, and I blow the dust off, and we're good to go now, though. Where is Clint, by the way? Where's Clint? Is he MIA? You gotta see where Clint is. Who won the first version of this? Oh, this is the first version. This is still the first version, man. This is Crypto Vadness V1. This is the first version. I didn't pick the winners while I was gone on vacation. I was on vacation. We come back. So these were the winners for today. So it's still the same one. So we got 2 more rounds. So the winner will be announced on Monday. Actually, will be the winner. Actually. So take it for what you will. Rigged. You guys are crazy, man. Thanks for looking at our comments. Makes me feel wanted. Thanks for hanging out, Fire and Lave. He's in George's room now. Dude, I wouldn't want to be in George's room. If I was in George's room, it would just be surrounded in Legos. What's wrong with Legos, bro? What's wrong with Legos? You're not a part of my cult and you don't like Legos? All right, you know what, Jordan? I'm converting you right now. I'm converting you. Turn around. Turn around. Say it after me. I am George. We're all George. Say it again. Say it in the chat for all the Georges in here right now. Say it with me. I am George. We're all George. Say it with me again. I am George. We're all George. And lastly, I am bullish. We're always bullish. All right. Now you are part of I am George. We're all George. We're always bullish. No matter if the economy is shit and the world is burning around us, we will always be bullish. Okay? We will always be bullish. Welcome to the cult. Okay. There we go. All right. You guys are all saying I'm George. We're all George. Part of the cult. Bitcoin is doing a little wiki woos, dookie doos, jookie jews at the moment, which is fine. I mean, it does what it does. It does what it does, man. I looked into his eyes, and it's like looking to the void, to the void of space. That's brutal, bro. George takes solo vacations to Legoland. Oh, Legoland! I actually like Legoland. Legoland was pretty cool. The one in Disney was pretty cool. I think so. All right, that's Matic. Matic. What else we got? Let's look at Chainlink. Let's look at Link, man. So what's going on with Link? Chainlink. Let's see. Legoland is right down the street from me. Lakeland, Florida. Nice. Isn't there a Legoland in Orlando too? I think so. I think there is one. All right, so Chainlink, guys. So Chainlink actually already broke out from the pattern we're looking at from the other ones. If you look at Chainlink right here, I mean, it was quite beautiful if you ask me. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout. Okay, you came up to the previous resistance looking left. Keep it simple, my man. Coming back down. And if this comes back down, Chainlink's kind of a move ahead of everything else. If it comes back down, which it's doing right now, perfect, right? 4-hour momentum about to cross to the downside right there, right? See 4-hour momentum? You see stock RSI? This is my setup, but when I see both cross to the downside, it's a good sign that we probably see slightly lower, all right? So I'm probably looking for Chainlink to come back down and back test these areas. There's a ton of things telling me this. You haven't back tested that neckline yet. You got this blue vector candle right here, and you got momentum coming back down. So Chainlink to me, it's again, maybe it doesn't play out this way. Maybe it doesn't need to come all the way back down. Maybe this was the dip you needed. Nevertheless, I think it's more likely that this does come and back test this general range, 730, 740, somewhere in this range before then coming back to the upside. All right. So again, we'll see. We'll see if it plays out that way. But Link to Slink, I should say, Link to Slink is a move ahead of everything else, it seems like. Retest the neckline. You know you got to retest the neckline, man. So you guys are saying here, Sol. Let's do Sol. Sol is good for the Sol, man. Seems like Sol's ahead of everything else too. So you can see that all these alts are at a different point in what we're kind of looking at here, right? So Sol came up to retest this general range. I mean, really this resistance was like a big range right here. All right, and you can see Sol's kind of ahead of everything else too. You got the left shoulder. You got the big massive head. I mean, this is like freaking Jabba's head right here. You see the size of this head? This is like Jabba's massive wide head, okay? Baba's got like the big fat head and Jabba's got the wide head. So you got the left shoulder, the big wide head, okay? And this is starting to come back down, all right? And if it bounces, I'm looking for a bounce off the 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and then there you go. You got the same pattern. But you gotta have patience with this. You just got 4-hour momentum cross to the downside, okay? So have patience with this one to play out. This could take a little while to play out. And what do we know about local tops is maybe this comes back up and it just kind of retest the highs before then coming back down. Because we like to see the M formations at the tops, right? So have patience with this one. I do still think a lot of these have momentum to the upside. It's just that some of these shorter term time frames need to cool down because you really moved, for example, for Sol, you moved up about 18% without really any type of move down, right? So have patience with these. I do think you're going to see something like that. All right, Bitcoin's still kind of holding the range, which is quite interesting. Ethereum's still kind of holding the range. I was hoping we were going to get a move, like whether it's the upside or downside on stream. It seems like we just kind of want to kind of crab sideways here with the stream, man. Let's see. Hope to wake up tomorrow and see 24K. Frick, me too, man. Me too. I hope Bitcoin says screw you to resistance and just pumps, but doesn't always do that, as we know in this bear market. In a bull market, in a bull market, you can look at, all right, you got bearish divergence, so you're at resistance, and you could wake up and you could be smashing that percentage, so many percentages above that. But in a bear market, I mean, you got to look at these things a little bit more closely, right? So this is what it is. When FOMO, well, let's ask Carl when he should FOMO. Carl, come on, Carl. Come on, man. I know you're shooting your new video. Can you, dude? You're a crypto guy. Come on, I know you're shooting your new video. Yeah, come on, get over here. Talk about crypto for like longer than 2 minutes. Come on. All right, guys. Here's Carl. Carl, here he is. Hey guys, my name's Carl Rudigenloff, and welcome back to the moon.
Get your friggin' moon off me! I don't care about your friggin' moon! You're not even on the moon! Like, nice, man. Alright, let's see what you have to say, Carl. Let's see what you have to say. I'm watching you, Carl. Let's see. Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about what Bitcoin is doing on the charts, okay? Before you guys look at what Bitcoin's doing on the charts, make sure you guys use my Bybit link, where you can trade exactly like me and become exactly like me by using my Bybit link down below. You get $4,100 bonus if you sign up right now with my Bybit link. All right, so let's jump on into the TA, where I'm going to show you what I did on my trade over on Bybit, okay? So let's see what we got going on here. So Bitcoin has broken from this falling wedge back up to the upside, all right? So I put a massive long position, of course I did, right at the bottom here, where I put it over on Bybit, using my $4,100 bonus that I used from Crypto. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want to keep using my Bybit link, use it down below. I think Bitcoin can go higher here after breaking out from the wedge. All right. Carl, if I hear Biden one more time, you say Biden more than Bitcoin in your damn video. God, man. What are you going to talk about next? What are you going to talk about next? Like, all right, man, what is he going to talk about now?
All right, that's all the tea I have for you guys today. Now, let's talk about my new racing trip. Yeah, my new racing trip. So, guys, I went racing yesterday. All right? I literally went racing yesterday.
Ah!
Oh, man. All right, anyways. That's all. That's it. That's it, man. That's it. Oh, man. Your imitation of him was longer than his actual videos. All right, anyways. Let's continue on. So that was that. Near looks like it's still trying to go up a little bit more. Let's see Near. Dude, I might FOMO into Near tonight, guys. Andrew keeps telling me I need to FOMO into Near because he said on for Near, there's a project that's launching on it on Monday. I'll have to look into it. But I might FOMO into Near, guys. I might do it. I am very tempted to FOMO into Near. The reason why I might FOMO into Near is a very simple reason, actually. There's a very don't do what I do, guys. You know, as soon as I buy Near, it's gonna dump. You know this is the case. Okay, I mean, I already know it's gonna happen. All right, and that's why I don't do it. But I need to just get it out of my system because every time I tell you guys I'm gonna buy it, I don't, and I just need to get it out of my system. So as soon as I buy it right here, it's gonna dump back down, retest this trend line, and then we can go from there. All right. You went set. Let's see. The stress of true women is making Java stressed. No, Java's living it up right now, man. He loves this new girl. What's going on, Zeno? Man, just buy Near. Go for it. Oh, BRMC. I might just go for it, my man. Just buy it at 4? Nah. I could just buy it at 4. $2 worth of ADA, TI? Let's do it, man. ADA!
$2 worth of ADA top.
Let's do it, man. ADA! What we got going on from Captain ADA here? Captain ADA. Well, ADA is actually, is it doing a typical ADA things? Let's see. Let me just go to the daily real quick. Let me zoom out what we're looking at here. 4 hour already looks a little shady, at least for the short term here. ADA, appreciate that uptick, Miami. So what's ADA doing? ADA's still got some work to do. I mean, we talked about this before I went on vacay. That's like my most common saying. Before I went on vacay. Before I went on vacay. Like, yeah, dude. Like, before I went on vacay. Yeah. No, but ADA, it's still just going up and down in this little consolidation here. Nothing crazy in the daily. You know, I mean, let's jump on over to like the. I mean, do you want to call this a cup and handle? I don't know if I do. I don't know if I do. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame real quick. Let's see what we got cooking here. Let's see what we got cooking good looking. All right, so 4 hours cross to the downside on the stocks. Momentum actually has a little bit of room here, so this one might be okay, at least for the short term here. Here's what I'm looking at for ADA. And this would actually make perfect sense on every time frame. ADA, same type of deal as the other coins, and you should see relatively the same things on most alts because they generally do the same things together. Some do different things occasionally, but they generally do the same things, right? You get the left shoulder, you get the head. I'm looking for the move back down, retest these moving averages. Okay, you get the 20, the 50, and the 200, all coming in right here at the same level. Makes sense, all right? Come back down, retest these areas, and you get a move up. I look for confluence, okay? 4 hour, that will reset the 4 hour indicators nicely, all right? Bada bing, bada boom. And would give you a target. Actually, funny enough, you know, depending on when that breaks out, would give you an upside target right to the resistance we're looking at here. right? And it's more so a daily resistance, but you get the point, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. Looking for a 5th hit up there. Would make a ton of sense. Ton of sense. So let's see, right? I still think you need a little bit of a cooldown here on on the 4 hour, especially on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see if it happens. Let's wait it out. 1 hour looks pretty nice with that too, if it wants to play out that way. All right. So let's wait it out. It'll probably play out over the course of the weekend. Probably not going to happen tonight. Probably not going to happen tomorrow. It's probably just going to happen over the course of the weekend. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Let's see. Dude, can I do a quick rant alert real quick, guys?
Rant alert.
On the plane, okay? I want you guys to know, right? We watched Jurassic Park 1 the other day, okay? She thought it was shitty. It's a dinosaur movie, so I still like it. Is it shitty? Probably. It's a dinosaur movie. How can you not like a dinosaur movie? I wanted to watch the new Jurassic Park on the plane, all right? And get this. They didn't have it on the first plane, but every movie was available, okay? Every movie was available, okay? Here's the thing. I went back. I went on the plane back, basically. Pay attention, man. I came back, and the only movies that worked were old as shit movies and kids movies. I ended up watching the freaking Lorax when all I wanted to watch was freaking Jurassic Park 3. And I had to watch the freaking Lorax, which was actually pretty good. And then I had to watch some stupid, like, Tale of some Rat movie. Okay? It was horrible. That's my little rant here. Yeah, it's my little rant.
Alert.
I was teased the whole ride. I was so pumped to see that on the list. And none of them worked. Ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. I actually left a bad review. I'm not going to lie. I left a bad review on their website. No. I didn't do that. I'm not a Karen. I'm not a Karen. It's ridiculous. The Polish haircut? It's my normal haircut. What are you talking about, man? This is the Polish haircut right here. This is actually the Polish middle-aged women haircut right here. It's true though. You know it's true. You want to see the Polish middle-aged women haircut? Let's see. Let's see, man. Like every Polish middle-aged woman looks like a Karen. Here we go. Here it is right here. It's this. No, it's not really this. It's this one right here. This is the middle-aged Polish woman right here. You know, this is what it is.
I appreciate that browski. Don't go up, Grimace.
All right. Let's continue on. How do you comb over the bearish hairline? Bearish hairline. Yeah, I mean, I have to go with the bearish hairline. The hairline's actually looking pretty good today. Come on. It's true. My mom actually doesn't have My mom actually doesn't have middle-aged woman hair. She actually has normal hair. Now that might change. That might change. She might get a haircut in the next couple of years. But my mom actually is not a Karen yet. She's not. You want to talk to my manager? You can. All right. Anything else that we want to touch on tonight, guys? Bitcoin's dumping. I can't really call it dump. It's the 15-minute time frame. You know what I mean? ETH is kind of just in this consolidation pattern. It's going up, down, up, down. Not really doing too much. It's just going sideways. Bitcoin on the hourly, I mean, you can argue it's just going sideways too. We just happen to be on a red candle. So let's see what happens. The 1 hour's not looking terrible, but the 4 hours looking shady to me. 4 hours looking shady for Bitcoin. And by shady, I mean short-term pullback-esque. All right? So let me see what you guys said in the chat. I appreciate that, broski. Gun go up. Nice. Andrew said, for all the members and future members, the best multi-personality stream ever. I never shill, but check out Sweatcoin. It's going to go live on Monday on Near. Sweatcoin's like Steppen, isn't it? Which, you know. Steppen, we're still waiting on some few things over there. See Sweatcoin. They don't even have it on TradingView. So, listen. Sweatcoin, I might be wrong on that. I think that is the same premise though. I think it's the same premise. Which I would probably. That's why you guys said buy near. That's why you said buy near, Andrew. But anyways, I might call it a stream here for the night. If Bitcoin does continue down, look for at least initial support on the 50 EMA here, on the 15 minute, 21,150. You know, hourly is pretty extended from these. You know, 20,950 is the 20 EMA in the 1 hour. So pay attention to these still short-term levels. But let's see, right? 4 hours showing slight term pullback, but I still think we can go a little bit higher here on the daily and things like that. So I'll catch you guys later. Show us my pits. There you go, man. Want to see the pits? There you go. You like the pits? Come on. I know you like the pits. I got the best pits in the game, man. The best pits in the game. All right. I'm going to call a stream on this Friday night, guys. I'm going to stream tomorrow. So dude, I can't just come back for one day and then just not stream. It's freaking weird. Like, I thought today was Monday, and it throws me all off, and I was excited. So I'm going to stream tomorrow. Let's see. What do you think of Brickhook Rose are going to go out and get off of their ass? Drew, all right, I would say this. Most people who are still in crypto right now are, how should I say this? I would say people who are still in crypto right now are not even just in crypto, like even in like the stock market, man. But like those are a certain type of people. Those are a certain type of people that I would say are slightly nerdy, but are also cool. That's what I notice about crypto people. Usually slightly nerdy, but they also have a little bit of a interesting personality too. It's what I noticed. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Have a fantastic night. I don't know what time I'll stream tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated. It might be a morning stream, might be a night stream. Depends what the plan is for tomorrow. But catch you guys later. Adios. See you guys tomorrow. Don't do anything I'm into. Don't panic, say crypto. Most of the time, panic, say crypto. Bitcoin right now is testing support. But yeah, I'm not gonna. Well, you know what's gonna happen. It's gonna bounce off support here. I'm gonna be stuck on. All right, I stayed on for it to dump, and now we're getting off. It is what it is. Yeah, we are degenerates, man. We are degenerates. All right, catch you guys later. Have a fantastic night, my friends. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hit up that like button before you go. By the way, you don't hit the like button, I'll be very upset. I won't be upset. I really won't be upset. If I was upset, I'd probably shill it more than I do. But you know. This is what it is. All right. Adios, guys. Adios. Peace.